Good morning, welcome to a bright and sunny day. This is on Tattersall pasture above Bordley in the Yorkshire Dales. We're going to have a brief tour of some of the lead workings in this area. This line of holes you can see in the ground are actually bell pits. They were excavated by hand and the lead ore, which is called galena, was extracted. It was a completely manual process and very physical. When one of the pits had been exhausted, they moved on to the next one, following the vein all along. This flattened area you can see here coming up, where there's very little vegetation, actually probably was a processing area called a dressing floor, where the large lumps of rock were broken into more manageable sizes. Here we're continuing on. You can see the considerable length of some of these veins. In the distance there is Proctor High Mark. We're talking about 2,000 feet above sea level here, so it can be quite exposed. Here you can see two parallel lines of bell pits. There is about 2 meters between the two lines, and that is typical how close these veins were together. It's a very old process. It's been going on since Roman times, and it continued on till the 1800s when the process was mechanised. But this up here was a very manual process. The larger lumps of rock that were broken up previously were then brought down to this area down here, which is a dressing floor, and they were broken up into smaller pieces, and they were typically the size of a pea, but this was much nearer to pure ore. It didn't make any sense at all to travel downhill with a load of waste rock, so they got it as pure as possible up here. You can see here the depth of some of the pits. They were originally covered over with planks to stop the sheep falling in, but obviously the planks have rotted, and now they are open and they're quite hazardous if you don't know they are there. I think this helps to show the value of drone flying in archaeological areas, and especially in industrial archaeology. We're going to try and come into land now. The problem is it was quite a blustery day, and it was extremely difficult to control the drone. So I think we're going to come into land and hopefully not crash, because it is quite hazardous up here. Yes, we're getting there now. And we're going to be coming down and hopefully landing safely. I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much.